Alright, good afternoon. This is just going to be a quick update video. All the plumbing under the kitchen sink is all done. I installed valves on the hot and cold. Okay. So let's say you want yourself a drink of water. Well, you simply go to the sink and turn the water on. Now, let's say you want to spray something. Got a sprayer. You can turn that one off and just use the sprayer. But, yeah. It's got a, let me turn this. It's got a cutting board that fits in there and comes out, and it's got this built-in strainer. It too comes out if you want to take it out, so that's kind of nice. And of course, no leaks. Basically getting the trailer cleaned out. Got all my trim at the bottom on, all sanded. I put a piece of wood down in there for the 3/4 rest on. I've got to drill screws into that. But there comes a point where you just got to stop, making dust and sanding so that we can clean and stuff like that and get ready for our trip. To be honest with you, I really didn't do a whole lot today. I did got that tongue groove on the end of that cabinet. I sanded down the where I filled the holes in, and we now have a cable TV connection right there. All right, and I just I say temporarily, but I got the cable just kind of running, loosely over to where I made my connection. I'll run it up through the ceiling. Might be one of the projects I do when we're camping. And my brother-in-law Tommy came and put a real nice coat of wax on the front of the trailer. So when I'm traveling up the road, it won't. Hopefully the bugs won't stick to it too much, or if they do, they'll come off easier when we get back. And he had this product that cleaned off. Just had some black streaks right there. No big deal. So probably what's tomorrow? Thursday, Friday, Saturday. I've still got a bunch of shopping to do. I got to get some sheets for the bed. And I've got paper plates and stuff like that. It's gonna go buy a small TV, maybe. I don't know. Let's see. Got a couple in the house. I hate to buy a new one, but we'll see. See how I feel, if I have enough time. Oh, haha! And we got us a refrigerator. And the refrigerator is on and working and cold. I put some water in there. I stuck one in the freezer. I just want to see how long it takes it to freeze that. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, man, we got water. We got water. Oh, gotta get a what are we gonna call that? A off-grid or a limited power friendly coffee pot. The one I have right now is a bun, and it's constantly on because it constantly keeps hot water ready, so that when you pour new water in, it makes a pot of coffee 10 cups in 30 seconds. I've been cleaning up in here a little bit. No big deal. Like I said, no major projects today. I do still need to hook up the drain underneath. No big deal. Alright, well, hope you enjoyed the video. That's it for today, unless I do something major later on. But all right, y'all have a good day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow maybe.